I originally heard about AIGA when I was a student employee at UNM. At UNM, there's no graphic design program or anything, and I kind of stumbled upon it in a marketing internship I had. Our biggest mission is to advance graphic design as a cultural force in the cities and communities that we're in. That means helping creatives understand the value that they bring to their community, not just in terms of like payment or whatever, but in terms of their own craft. So they're designing things for a community. They're not just making things pretty, they're making things make sense for the people who live there.
There's just something that happens when creative people get together that it kind of grows your creativity in a way that you didn't think you could. When you can interact with people in creative community, it's so beneficial. And you know, the $50 or whatever I pay a year to be involved, you know, as a member of AIGA pales in comparison to like all the personal and creative value that I get from the people that I get to hang out with.
Pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing